When learning ends, begins upskilling, and Semasys Learning brings to you an opportunity to acquire, own, and polish skills from experts in areas like business, media, agriculture, industry, and many more. Keeping this in mind, Semasys Learning LLP offers you the postgraduate program in Agribusiness Management powered by Sakal and AgroOne. This is a one-year full-time program that transforms human capital for agricultural industry. Semasys Learning LLP, the skilling and education vertical of the AP Global Group and a sister concern of the prestigious Sakal Media Group. If you want to become a successful entrepreneur in the field of agriculture or to get good job opportunities in renowned agriculture industries, this is the destination where you will learn all necessary skill sets for a bright career.
Agro-based industries in the country has large demand for agricultural executives and managers. Sakal Media Group has designed a course with the experts from industry to match their demand. The students who enroll to this course has a greater opportunity to work with industry for on-job training, and thereby they enhance their capability and employment potential with the industry.
Agriculture sector is one of the largest employer of human capital in India, a field of immense opportunity for both professionals and entrepreneurs. With this in mind, our Agri-Business Management course is drawn to foster entrepreneurship and professional skill so that students post its completion can create a positive impact in the society and contribute towards nation building.
The interesting thing about this program that it allows students to apply what you learn in classroom through on-job training during your academic year. Also, networking is the most important outcome of this program, and I encourage everybody to take advantage of this opportunity.
The postgraduate program in Agribusiness Management is divided into three distinct parts: orientation, understanding and knowledge, application. Also, building competencies and nurturing leadership skills among the students. On-the-job training is a specialty of this course where students get 5 to 6 months of work experience in renowned agri industries. Infrastructure plays a significant role in providing quality education, especially in the management domain. We boast of world-class infrastructure, well-equipped classrooms, library, computer lab, students' accommodation facilities in extreme proximity to the campus. Agri-Business Management, a special course where you can brighten your future through good placement opportunities. Register now. To apply for this program,